In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI to rewrite and improve your blog introductions for better engagement. I'll start by entering a prompt into the search bar, asking the AI to take a basic sentence about student time management and make it much more relatable and punchy. Perplexity processes the request and provides a rewrite that uses a juggling metaphor to vividly illustrate the chaos of a student's busy schedule. This version is far more effective because it identifies the specific pain points of stress in a way that feels natural and conversational to the reader. Now I'll move on to a second example to see how it handles a different niche, like home decor and wellness. I type in a prompt to rewrite a very simple introduction about the benefits of indoor plants, focusing on making it more SEO friendly and exciting. The result is a significant upgrade, turning a plain statement into a vivid description of how plants can truly transform a living space. It highlights the benefits of air quality and mood boosting while using evocative language like leafy companions to draw the reader in. By using these simple prompts, I can quickly generate multiple variations to ensure my blog starts with a strong professional tone that keeps people reading until the very end. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.